Hello guys. This is our question, and this is a good question. It's a very good question. It is a little bit hard question also. The level of this question is a little bit high than related to other question, relatively. Okay, so let me start this question. Okay, a bucket containing mixture of two liquid A and B in a proportion this. Okay, 75. If 9 liter of mixture is the replaced by 9 liter of liquid, or 9 liter of liquid B, then the ratio of the two liquid becomes this much. Okay, how much of liquid A was there in a bucket? Okay, so this question we can do in a two ways, like with the help of fraction, but that matter it is a little bit long if you do in a ratio proportion. Okay, so it's better for us to take the mixture and alligation method. Okay, no problem. If you don't know about it, you can skip this question also, because the level of this question is a little bit high, and that it is not much high, but you can skip because the ratio and proportion, we are in a ratio and proportion topic. When we do mixture and alligation question, in there I will explain you everything about this method, but it is quite easy if you follow the mixture and alligation method. So we try to do this question mixture and alligation method, try to understand. If not, then don't worry, I will make separate video on mixture and alligation further. Okay, in further videos, and we take this topic as a separate mixture and alligation and make one playlist of that also. So don't worry. Okay, let me start. So what is this? Suppose, okay, the first picture is this. Okay, this, and that we consider that total is 12. Okay, okay, we consider this thing also. Now the second picture, after replacing something, it is this much. How much? This much. Okay, no problem. So it is how much? 16. Okay, it means you can see that initially we have how much v liquid is this much. We can conclude from here this thing. Okay, similarly, okay, and we convert it in this much. Okay, how much? This much. After 5 it is 9. Okay, so it is 9, so 9 by 16 is the now the final mixture of liquid B. Okay, final quantity of liquid B. Okay, and what we added 9 liter of mixture, 9 liter of liquid after replacing it. So the one thing is that initially it is a liquid B is in a mixture in this compound. Okay, in first mixture it is it is mixed with the another liquid, but when we adding 9 liter, so that is nothing but pure thing. Okay, so now 5 by 12 is what? 5 by 12 is the concentration of liquid B, but here the concentration is 1. Okay, 1 means what? This is nothing but the fraction value, concentration of fraction. But when you take the fraction value of pure liquid, then you take this as 1, because 9 liter of liquid B is pure when you replacing it. Okay, so initially it is this, then replacing it with this. Okay, and the new mixture that has come, in which the concentration of B is this much, 9 by 16. Okay, in first condition is not pure, in second condition is not pure. Okay, but what this thing is saying us, first fraction, that the total quantity is 12 unit, in which 5 unit only the value of B. In this fraction, it is telling us the total quantity is 16 unit, but the value of V is 9. From total 16, the 9 unit only V. But in this, it is saying all thing is V. One is showing that the quantity is totally pure. The quantity having only V liquid. Okay, so that's why we are taken 1 here. Okay, so now what the mixture alligation do in method, just to be this number 1 is greater than this number. Okay, so we minus this with 1. Okay, so and here the 9 by 16 is greater than 5 by 12, so here we minus 9 by 16 minus 5 by 12. Okay, so the answer could be let's try to calculate. So here is 16. So I think the 7 by 16. Okay, try to do by yourself. So I think the answer is for verification. Okay, for the answer that is correct now. And here what would be the LCM is 48. Okay, 48. So it is also a 7 by 48. Yeah, it is this. So just I had minus 1. I had minus 9 by 16 from 1, and I had minus 5 by 12 from 9 by 16. So these two answers comes this one row and this one row. Okay, okay. What I had done, I will explain you again. Just wait for a minute. Yeah, I will I had done this thing. What? One this. Okay, no problem. Again take it. One this. Okay, no problem. Again take it. One this. Okay, and sorry. Do this thing. Yeah, one this, and yeah, one this. Oh, wrong. This. Take this. Okay, this. What we have done, now you can understand. I have subtracted this from this. I subtracted this from this. Okay, so this is the answer we get. Okay, now we divide them also again. So the new ratio that has come is how much? How much it is? The ratio come is I think the 4 and 1. Okay. So now what this 4 and 1 showing? It is showing the ratio of initial quantity. 4 is showing ratio of initial quantity, and 1 is showing the new thing. Okay, 1 is showing new one. Okay. So now from the question we had know that we mix this is nothing but 9 unit, 9 liter. So that's 1 is equal to what? 1 is equal to what? 9. Okay, and now this 4:1 is a ratio of quantity of initial and final. This is final and this is initial. And then this is the one thing mix and this is the second thing mix. That we mixed the two things. And their ratio mixing is 4:1. 4 and 1 is showing this. So that if 1 is equal to 9, then what is 4 equal to? Then 4 is equal to how much? 9 into 4, it is 36. Okay. Okay. I think you understand. I think what I'm trying to say. I think you understand. Okay, so from this we get the value of initial one. The 5 unit value is 36. Okay, 36. I don't know why this color value D. Why this color value D? I don't know what the problem is with this. What is the problem with this? What is the problem with this? Okay. Now what is next? We get the value of 36. Now the 36 value is of whom? Of this value. Okay, this is initially 36. Okay, because that we already know that we make the 9 liter, so that we consider as a 1. So this 1 is showing the thing but 9. Okay, how this 1 and 4 coming after making this 748. Okay, I had to take this. Okay, you cross this, and then 4 and 1 has come. Okay, you divide this the 7 crossed and 1 is remaining, 16 is 1 4 is remaining, so the 4 comes this side, so the 4:1. Okay, this is nothing but the basic math. Okay, so this has come. Okay, no problem. Now this 36 is nothing but the value of this. Okay, take the thing. What this take? This is take. Okay, this is what the 36. I don't know why this thing is happening. I don't know what is this problem. So I just removed. I tried to remove this line. So because of that, the confusion, this mixture is over. Yeah, now it is okay. Okay. So this 30 no, 5 by 12 is nothing but equal to this 36. Okay, so which is equal to which is now from yes, we can get the value of this 12. Okay, or we can get the value of how much? To of whom? Of whom, what? Sorry. It is not that. This 36 is the value of whole this mixture. So the quantity of what? Quantity of sorry. Yeah, this 36 is the value of this whole mixture. Okay, this whole mixture. I'm sorry to saying something else. So okay, so if we divide 36 by 12 and then we multiply it with 7. Okay, then we multiply it with 7. So what the 36 by 12 is 3. And then we multiply it with 7. What we get? We get 21. Okay, this 7. We get, so how much liquid was there in a bucket? So initially it is 21, and this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. I think you understand, or if you not understand, no problem. This topic we covered in a mixture and allegation. Okay, so thank you.